Samsung enthusiasts have long awaited the arrival of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, and it seems that the wait might finally be over. Recent reports suggest that Samsung is gearing up to introduce significant upgrades with this release, marking a substantial departure from previous iterations. One of the most anticipated changes is in the camera department. After sticking with the same camera setup for the last 2 generations, Samsung is rumored to be planning a major overhaul. Speculations indicate that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 could feature a main camera sensor similar to the impressive 200-megapixel sensor found in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This move would be unprecedented, as Samsung typically reserves its best camera technology for its ultra-flagship devices. While these rumors should be taken with a grain of salt, they hint at the possibility of an exciting camera upgrade for the Fold 6. However, another report suggests a different direction for the camera setup, hinting at a new 50-megapixel sensor specifically designed for the Fold 6. According to sources, Samsung may prioritize upgrading the main camera while leaving other aspects, such as the ultra-wide and zoom sensors, unchanged. This strategy underscores Samsung's commitment to enhancing the photography experience on the Fold 6. In addition to the Fold 6, Samsung is also making waves with its innovative triple-folding tablet. This cutting-edge device, which Samsung has showcased at various events, could potentially hit the market in 2024. With rivals like Huawei also exploring similar concepts, Samsung aims to stay ahead of the curve by offering consumers a unique and versatile tablet experience. Moreover, Samsung is poised to make a splash in the augmented reality (AR) space with its Immersive XR headset. A tech insider Revegnus shared a leak on his X account, formerly known as Twitter. The leak suggests that Samsung has been working on this project under a secretive organization called Immersive. With a team of 100 experts dedicated to XR development, Samsung is gearing up to rival Apple's Vision Pro headset. The Immersive XR headset promises to deliver an unparalleled AR experience, leveraging Samsung's expertise in display technology and innovation. Virtual reality is the future that nobody can deny. People want to escape reality, and that is why when Apple launched its Vision Pro, people were enthralled by it and were seen using the VR headset everywhere all the time. If you want to get a sneak peek into the future, watch the Ready Player One movie. This movie is all about the world that we are entering now. As we eagerly await these groundbreaking releases, it's clear that Samsung is poised to redefine the boundaries of technological innovation. Whether it's the long-awaited camera upgrades on the Galaxy Z Fold 6, the revolutionary triple-folding tablet, or the Immersive XR headset, Samsung continues to push the envelope and captivate consumers worldwide. What are your thoughts on Samsung's upcoming innovations? Share your opinions in the comments below. Stay tuned for more updates as we embark on an exciting journey of technological advancement with Samsung. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.